traffic noise. It's just terrible.
What was that? Say that again? I didn't hear you.
That smells good.
Don't you ever stop thinking of your stomach?
We've got work to do, Slowly. Know-how sent us to check out the wildlife situation here. Now let's see. The park's 2 blocks down.
Isn't Mother Nature wonderful? Isn't it just amazing that any kind of wildlife can survive in a place like this? Yet it does.
What kind of wildlife are we looking for? Wildebeests? Tigers?
No, sweetheart. Things like squirrels and sparrows in parks and gardens.
Exotic creatures in a city like this? I don't think so, darling. Whoa!
Seems you were wrong, Bamboo Lee. Look, poor little guy.
He looks so sad.
Let's go talk to him. Woke up this morning feeling so alone. I got the blues 'cause I'm so far away from home. Oh, I'm a blue parrot.
Yay!
Oh, baby, I'm a blue parrot.
Yeah.
What can I say, man? You're wicked.
Hey, give me 5.
So, at the risk of sounding a little corny, what's a nice little guy like you doing in a place like this?
Well, man, it's a long story.
Ooh, will we need a packed lunch?
Take no notice of him. Tell us.
My name is Poco, and I come from the rainforests of Brazil. When I was very young, sort of barely hatched, I was captured by trappers and taken away from my home and my parents and brought here. And I miss my home. And I miss my friends. And I miss my mom and dad and my records and everything.
Poco, we really know how you're feeling. We're in the same boat, too.
We've got to help. Let's get him out of here.
We can't steal him, so we'll have to buy him. Excuse me, how much?
That'll be 10 gold nuggets.
10 gold nuggets?
Well, these hyacinth macaws are very fashionable right now. Blue's the in color this season, you know.
How much have we all got left from our pocket money?
Let's see. Okay,
9 and 7.
there's a few here. Wait, take that.
I think we got just enough.
But what about lunch?
And I did want to buy a baseball glove.
And I wanted to buy a calculator. Hey, but come on, you guys. You know how it feels to miss your mom and dad? And we don't exactly have to worry about our fares back home.
Okay, sure, that's
Okay.
fine. I suppose so.
Fine.
And you get the cage thrown in free.
We won't be needing that.
We're taking him back home where he belongs.
With his mom and dad.
You mean I'm going home? Yeah!
Let's go, little guy.
Hey, Slowly. You look so fashionable all of a sudden.
Yeah, great shoulder wear, man.
So, our little joint venture is going well, Ratleone, huh?
Yeah, trade's booming and profits are doing nicely, thanks to you, and the style council of Rat City, who dictate fashion, or should I say, parrot fashion. Yeah, I won. My man in Brazil. Yeah, sure. When can you get the next shipment in?
The cages are nearly full, so we're on for tomorrow.
The cages are nearly full, so we're on for tomorrow.
Ah, my friend here has made all the arrangements on this end.
Okay, that sounds good to me.
Okay, that sounds good to me.
Juan, why do you keep repeating yourself?
These stupid birds keep copying everything I say.
Stupid birds keep copying everything I
The Amazon jungle? A parrot? What on earth are you playing at, team? I thought I told you to investigate urban wildlife in Rat City. Please don't abuse my transport system like this, and please stay on brief.
But, sir, we feel we have, in a way. The cities are where the creatures like this poor little parrot are ending up. You see, he's become urban wildlife against his will. He needs to be returned to his natural habitat.
All right, Bamboo Leaf, fair enough. Carry on, carry on.
Look at all those areas of burnt forest.
That's because they know we like burnt palm nuts. They burn the palm trees down, wait for us to come and feed, then trap us. My aunt got caught that way. That's why our flock have migrated away from the treetops to the cliff tops. Wow! Hey, look! There it is! It's my home! Home! Hello! Ma! Pa! I'm back! Anybody home? Hello? 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 You there?
Looks like the trappers got here too, Poco.
I'll never see them again.
Oh, Poco, I'm sorry.
Here, have some fruit seeds. Or how about a palm nut?
Don't despair, little guy. They might still be in the trappers' camp. Come on, let's go and find it. This is a great way to travel.
You bet it is.
It's no good. I'm not going on until I've had something to eat. Honey.
No, stay away! Don't do it! Don't!
Here should be some. Oh no! Help! Hey guys, come and get me! Help!
Didn't I tell you? It's a trap!
I'm in a bit of a fix.
That's how they trap us. With glue made from Amazonian rubber trees.
And I'm the decoy! They've clipped my wings so I can't fly away!
That's sick.
We've got to put a stop to this. Cooey! Hello there, handsome. Where have you been all my life?
Hi there.
Jungle Catering Corps just bringing you some more food for your parrots. May I?
Oh, yeah.
See you later, sweetie.
The boss said the plane will be here to pick up the consignment tomorrow, taking it back to a deserted beach 10 miles up the coast from Rat City. I want you to go along and make sure that everything goes smoothly.
Wow, that's a lot of pocket money.
It's not for you. It's the bribe money for the boss's tame customs official.
Oh, you poor things. Let me set you free right away. How could they?
Not so fast, young lady. Get her.
Oh, get your mitts off me, you big bullies!
The boss, we have an intruder, a bamboo rat. Female. Pushy little madam.
It's those bamboo bears again. Get rid of those meddling do-gooders once and for all.
Deal with her in the usual way.
You're gonna be history soon. Get it?
Hey, come on. The rubber takes a while to break. We'll come back later for the finale. Let's go and check the traps.
Darlene, it's us.
Get me out of here!
But I hate snakes.
Whoa!
Okay, start swinging back and forth.
Come on! This is no time for dancing!
It'll swing the cage away from the pit. Come on, just do it. it.
Wow! Way to go, Bamboo Lee.
Make yourself useful. Slowly eat through the cage, okay?
You got it. Lunch at last.
There you go.
Thanks, Poco. Nice work, Slowly. But hurry, they'll be back in a minute.
Hey! Stop!
Oh no, it's the rats! Quick, the river!
Follow me. We can go by Lily Pad. All aboard, guys.
Way to go, everyone!
It's very noisy here, almost as loud as the city. Talking of which, I overheard a conversation in the camp. The whole trapping operation is illegal. They're smuggling all those birds out to Rat City. And guess who's behind it?
Reunited. So here's the reason I ended up in Rat City. I sure hope my mom and dad are still in the camp, huh?
Don't worry, Poco. We'll go back and find him. We're just lying low for a while and making a plan.
This is the life.
This is the Amazon, my friend. A place full of mortal dangers.
But we can always use the cane to get aye-aye if we run into any trouble.
No, we can't, Slowly. See, it's still too wet. It won't summon Ai until it's dried out.
What sort of dangers are there, Poco?
Oh, let me see now. There's alligators and anacondas and piranhas and sharks, jaguar snakes, spiders, tree frogs, cannibals, vampire bats. Whoa!
Hang on tight, everyone!
Now he tells us!
Whoa! This is no theme park, guys!
Oh no! The cane! Let's get after it, quick! What are we gonna do now?
Without the cane, we're lost!
Ooh, we're gonna be stuck in the Amazon forever!
This is terrible. Still no sign of the cane.
It's bound to turn off.
Cheer up, guys. It could be worse. At least you're still alive. Uh-oh. Spoke too soon.
Moving right along now.
Ooh. Quick, they might not see us. Situation.
Talk about out of the frying pan into the fire. Look! Bamboo bear for breakfast.
Try and keep your chins up, guys. I'm working on a plan.
Hang on, man. I just seen a few old friends.
Poco, don't leave us in our hour of need.
Hello, Poco. Hello, Poco.
Bamboo Lee! Look!
It's the cane! Poco, quick, fly up there and make them swing harder.
You got it. Want to go higher? Here we go. Way!
called Bamboo Bee? Where do you want to go? Paris, London, New York, Bangkok? Welcome aboard this Dragonair flight. In-flight refreshments will be served, and a selection of duty-free goods will be available presently.
Okay, cut the wisecracks. Just stick around for a while, Aye. We really need your help.
You didn't have to worry about those guys, Bamboo. They're vegetarian. They keep us parrots as pets.
Look, we're being worshipped. They must think we're like gods or something.
I don't think we'll have any trouble getting them to do what we ask now.
I don't think we'll have any trouble getting them to do what we ask now.
Hey, that's it. I got it. Parrot fashion.
Hey, that's it. I got it. Parrot fashion.
These guys can copy the rats' voices.
These guys can copy the rats'
Okay, cut it out. Shh, they'll hear us.
Everything's set up.
Okay, guys, go get them.
Hey, you two! Get out here! I'm being kidnapped! Quick, help me!
Was that the boss? I thought I heard him.
Over here! Over here! Over here! Over here!
Where are you, boss? I can't see ya.
I'm here! I'm here!
What are you doing there?
Over here! Help! Over here! Help!
Ow. Oh, hey, I'm stuck. Get me out of here.
I can't. I'm stuck too.
All fixed.
Yes, sir, Mr. Battleone, sir. The plane is due to arrive any minute. The Parrots are all
Hey, boss, come here quick. Come here quick. Hey, boss, over here.
Where? Where? I can't see you. Stop fooling around.
Not there. Over here. Over here.
What's the big idea? What's this? I'm stuck. Help! Help!
Right,
Help!
the coast is clear. Let's go.
Get this thing. Oh no, I don't believe it. I'm dead. I'm an ex-rat.
Hey, Mom, Dad, it's me. Is that really you?
Poco, my little boy. You've really grown.
You bumbling idiots. Look at the mess you've gotten us into now.
Number one, you're fired.
No. Wait a minute, boss. I can explain. I can explain everything. No, please listen. Boss.
Hey, Poco, you found your parents at last.
Thanks for everything, you guys.
We don't know how to thank you.
All of us are so grateful.
We couldn't have done it without your boy. He was a star.
Well, we better get back to Rat City to report Ratleone's wicked illegal activity. So long.
Poco, I'll always remember our adventure with you.
And I'm sure gonna miss my gorgeous shoulder wear.
Bye-bye, Bamboo Bears. And thanks for everything.
But, sir, don't you realize that Ratleone is smuggling parrots illegally out of the Amazon by the dozen?
So what? He looks after me, I look after him. Turn a blind eye. Hear no evil, see no evil.
This is the most evil and corrupt city I've ever been in.
We can't change human nature, Bamboo Lee. But we can change some things. Fashion! Yeah! That's it! I got it! Parrot fashion!
Ain't I heard this somewhere before?
I'm off to the Style Council.
Sales of the popular and fashionable blue parrot known as the hyacinth macaw have plummeted overnight as rumors spread of a rare disease that they can pass on to rats. It is said to be connected with an ancient Indian curse cast on anyone, removing the bird from its natural habitat. Consequently, hundreds of birds in the city are being returned to pet shops for transportation back to the Amazon. Parrot fashion is no more. This is Kirsty Engelhardt of the 9 o'clock news.